Alright, look you guys, this video is way past due. I've been waiting to make this video for a while. This is going to be the story time number 1 of the tech space of Dante. I'm Dante. If you don't know, subscribe to the channel, go to my social media links in the description below, and you can find all of that content there. And actually I'm going to move these so that it doesn't look so weird, okay? Sorry about that. I had those in my last video sitting there because it was laid out different. So I know, number 1, I have the sheet over the window because there was too much sunlight. 2, I have my camera, my webcam on again, which a lot of you guys don't like, but I also have this camera here that I'm going to be using, and this camera here. So there are 2 cameras basically that I'm going to be using for my videos from now on. So you guys can learn about what the tech space is and who I am as a person, so that as the tech space grows, you guys can grow with me. And again, I'm making a lot of IRL or in real life videos, so I want you guys to get more in tune with who I am. So I started the tech space I'm gonna say 3 years ago when I was in college. So basically I started the tech space and I wanted to just show the videos, make videos to teach you guys or teach people on YouTube, but I never thought of it as an actual job or an actual something that you could do for a living. So you gotta think, I just made a YouTube channel. I put out a few videos and some of them did decently well, and somehow I got into Google AdSense pretty early. So I know a lot of people are having problems with it now, but I got into it very early. So I don't even know how. I must have just went across the video and followed the tutorial about it. I don't remember going out of my way too much to sign up for AdSense, but I just came into it, I came across it, and I signed up for it, and I got accepted to AdSense. So I started to make money off my videos. And at first I remember it was like $5 off a video in 1 month, in an entire month. So you guys gotta remember, I put a lot of time and a lot of effort into my videos over time. I've developed and became a better channel. I've been through a lot with this channel. So back to that, I've created my channel. I just started putting up videos, tutorials, and trying to teach people, but I never really got that much feedback from my videos. Never really cared, honestly. I knew that the people that I was teaching, I would be teaching and it would be helping them. So I didn't care if it was 5 people or 5,000. It didn't matter to me. It's cool, you know, if I hit a big number of a big number of people that watch my video, but I never really focused on that goal. I just loved to make the videos, and I liked the fact that I was teaching, because at this time I was also writing, and I'm an author as well. I have 4 books that I've wrote up for Amazon, so I'll link those in the description. I'm not going to talk about that right now, but basically I write about computer science, programming, and stuff like that, web design. And so I started teaching on YouTube as, you know, something fun, something for me to feel like I was doing my part. I was teaching the community and other people, you know, whether they're my age, younger, older, teaching you how to have a skill and take that and translate it into, you know, actually getting a job out of it, creating your own app or software or website from it. And I just enjoyed this. So YouTube eventually became something that, you know, I could actually do as a form of income. So as I was making money from it, you know, $50 a month, $100 a month, $150 a month, $200 a month, I became to realize that it's something that, you know, I can not only become, I'm really good at, I feel, and that I like to do, but it's something that I can actually make money from. It's something that I can curate a community from, get my message out with. You know, again, I like to write. I like to do a lot of other things as well. Play games. I have a gaming channel, as well as, like I said, I like to write. I like all things technology. I like to program. I like to create websites. I like to do tons of different things. So I just started to make videos on all these different things, from video editing to statistical analysis. So I became just obsessed with YouTube, and I kept making videos. I have over 500 videos, over 550 videos now, so I have tons of content. I think I've put in the time and the work. I've got a lot of views, but I haven't developed a fan base like I thought I would over time. So my main thing right now is just to curate a fan base more more than just getting views. So I'm getting the views. I just need to get in more subscribers. So that's where you guys come in. So please subscribe if you're watching this. If you watched a video and I've helped you, if you enjoyed watching my content in general, just please subscribe. If you want to, you can go to my social media links and follow me there. I'm always on social media. I always have updates of when I'm going to be doing new videos, and when my new videos come out, you'll be the first to know. So go follow me on there. You can talk to me. I'm not, some ghost person. I'm not going to not message you back. I will actually talk to you and give you advice. You can give me advice, and we can just talk like friends. So again, just hit me up on social media. And if you want, go share my link on Twitter and at me, which means put it in your, at me on Twitter when you share it, and I will follow you back. So if you share my stuff on Twitter, at me. If you do anything on Twitter, just at me, mention me, and I will follow you back on Twitter. So I will see you guys next time. If you like my videos, again, subscribe.